Do you want to start earning money online every single day? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not impossible in 2026. Whether you're looking to make extra cash or start a full-time hustle, some online jobs offer you the chance to get paid daily. That's right, no more waiting weeks for your paycheck. In this video, we're diving into 5 online jobs that pay you daily in 2026 and how you can start earning today. Stick with me to discover the most convenient and lucrative options to boost your income. 1. Microtasking, Clickworker and Toloka. Let's dive into microtasking, which has become one of the quickest ways to earn money online. Platforms like Clickworker and Toloka allow you to complete small tasks like categorizing data, moderating content, or even helping with AI training. These tasks are easy to complete and don't require any special skills. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a flexible way to earn, microtasking is a perfect fit. What's so great about this gig is the ability to get paid daily once you hit a low minimum threshold, typically around $10. This means that after completing a task, you can see your earnings in your PayPal or Payoneer account right away. Plus, the more you complete, the more opportunities you get, creating a flow of consistent income. It's also a fantastic way to build a portfolio of online work experience, which can lead to better paying tasks down the line. As a microtasker, you can work from home, set your own hours, and earn money on your terms. One of the best parts about Clickworker and Toloka is the flexibility to work whenever you want, even during short breaks in your day. Need to catch up on some extra cash between your meetings? Perfect! This is an ideal side gig to fit into your busy life. As long as you're dedicated and complete your tasks, you'll see your earnings grow quickly without the stress of having to wait weeks for a paycheck. 2. User testing and userlytics. If you've ever wondered how companies test their websites and apps to ensure they're user-friendly, you could be part of that process by becoming a user tester. Platforms like user testing and userlytics pay you to test out new websites, apps, and digital products, giving feedback on your experience. All you need to do is navigate websites, perform simple tasks, and provide voice-recorded feedback on what you found. It's really that simple. Explore a website, answer a few questions, and get paid for your thoughts. One of the major benefits of user testing is its fast payment system. While other platforms often take a week or longer to release your earnings, user testing allows consistent testers to receive daily payments via PayPal. This makes it incredibly convenient for those who need quick cash flow. On average, you can earn around $10 for each 20-minute test, which adds up if you're consistent. Plus, the tasks are short, meaning you can complete multiple tests in just a few hours. What's great about user testing is that you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The job is all about providing your honest opinions and experiences as an everyday user, which makes it accessible to anyone with internet access. Whether you're testing a mobile app or new website, your feedback helps businesses improve their user experience and ultimately benefits millions of users. If you enjoy being the first to try out new products or websites, user testing is an ideal way to make money online with little effort. 3. Online surveys, Prolific and Swagbucks. Online surveys are a well-known and easy way to earn quick money from the comfort of your home. With platforms like Prolific and Swagbucks, you can earn money by sharing your opinions on a wide range of products, services, and even academic research. For instance, Prolific is highly regarded for paying a competitive $8 per hour for survey participation. What's even better is that once you've earned as little as $6, you can cash out daily to PayPal. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to access your earnings quickly, so you won't have to wait for long payment cycles. The accessibility of these platforms is one of their key advantages. Unlike many other online jobs, you don't need any special qualifications or previous experience to start participating. All you need is a willingness to share your thoughts and experiences. Whether it's a simple survey about a new app or providing feedback on consumer products, the process is simple and the payouts are fast. You can start earning money within minutes of signing up. Plus, Swagbucks makes it even more flexible by allowing you to redeem your earned points not only for cash but also for gift cards, offering you plenty of options to use your earnings as you like. The best part about these platforms is how easily you can integrate surveys into your day-to-day routine. Whether you're watching TV, having a coffee, or during your lunch break, you can complete surveys on the go. It's an excellent way to make money without committing a huge amount of time. If you meet the basic requirements, you can cash out daily, making this one of the most convenient ways to earn side income with little effort. 4. Gig-based delivery, TaskRabbit. For those who don't mind leaving the house, TaskRabbit offers an online platform where you can earn money quickly by completing local tasks like assembling furniture, running errands, or even helping people with home projects. Unlike some online jobs, TaskRabbit is focused on physical tasks, meaning you interact directly with clients. Once a job is completed, the platform processes your payment, and in most cases, you can get paid in a few days. The major selling point of TaskRabbit is the flexibility it offers. You can choose the tasks you want to do, the hours you want to work, and set your rates. The more tasks you complete, the higher your earning potential. TaskRabbit also allows you to get paid quickly once a job is completed, making it a great option if you need quick cash. Another advantage of TaskRabbit is that it's not just about heavy lifting. There are plenty of smaller tasks, like making deliveries or organizing things, that can still earn you decent money. Plus, you can build a reputation on the platform by completing tasks and gaining positive reviews from clients. As you gain more experience and positive feedback, you can even increase your rates and specialize in the tasks that pay the most. 5. Selling digital products, Gumroad and Etsy. If you're creative and love designing or making products, selling digital goods is a fantastic way to start earning money online every day. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy allow you to sell digital products such as ebooks, templates, printables, or artwork. Once you create a product, you can list it on these platforms, and as people make purchases, you can receive instant payouts to PayPal or your bank account. The great thing about selling digital products is that you only need to create your product once, and it can keep generating income without extra work. For example, you could design a planner or resume template, sell it once, and then continue to make money as people purchase it. These platforms also allow you to set your prices and keep a portion of the profits, so it's up to you how much you want to earn. Selling digital products requires a bit of creativity, but the barrier to entry is low. You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or storage. If you enjoy designing or creating content that others might find useful, this could be a great way to earn money without much upfront investment. Plus, with platforms like Etsy already having a built-in audience, you can start reaching customers as soon as you upload your products. There you go. These are the top 5 online jobs that pay daily in 2026. From microtasking and user testing to selling digital products, there are plenty of ways to make money from the comfort of your home without the long waits for paychecks. The best part? You don't need to invest a lot of time or money upfront to start earning. Whether you want to make some extra cash in your free time or turn these gigs into a full-time hustle, these opportunities can help you get paid fast. If you're ready to start earning money today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on building your income online. And make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let us know in the comments below which job you're most excited to try out, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.